Good afternoon. Today I'm doing a video review on a dual channel dash cam that I picked up on Amazon. I've always wanted one of these and I've been looking at them for a while, and this one popped up. Price was right, dual channel, really had a lot of interesting features. So I thought I'd give it a try. And it came in yesterday and I thought I'd install it today. Now it comes with a booklet that takes you through the whole installation process step by step from start to finish. And it's printed in a very clear and concise manner. Once you get the installation done, it tells you how to do all the settings in the camera. This can do it all. You can set your resolution to 1080, 720, 480, or even less. So that'll make more use of the card if you wanted that. Has high and low light settings. Has a G-Shock sensor, so if your car hits something significantly, which it does have 3 settings for impact, then it'll lock into that loop and prevent it from being overwritten until you manually override it. It also has like a motion detector. If someone approaches your car and it's set in that mode, it'll take a picture of them. It can take still photos as well. And so it's a very capable operating system. Now when I installed it, everything's in the box that you need. And so there are 2 mounts. There's a window suction mount, and there's also a hard surface mount with a sticky back. I decided to go with the window mount, and instead of mounting it here where most people would mount it, as you can see I have some things that would interfere with the vision, so I moved it over to the corner. My main concern was that in the corner here I'd have to reach way across to turn it on and off, but as it turns out, once you plug it in, it automatically turns on and goes into recording mode. And as you can see, hopefully, the resolution is very good. The main part of the display is the front camera, and then there's a little inset on the side. That's your rear camera. And so you can see what's going on both ahead of your car and behind your car. Now everything that you need, like I said, is in the box, including this handy little tool. Just a little plastic rod with a curved end on it. But what it does is it helps pick up those wires in your headliner and along your weather stripping all the way back to your back camera. Very handy tool. It also comes with different things like little clips if you have to cross a hard surface where you can't conceal the cable. Now luckily I didn't need any of those, so this turned out to be a very neat installation where you don't see any of the wires going back. Let's take a look back there once. Now, I was maybe concerned about the amount of cabling because this is a large car. This is a Chevy Traverse, and as it ended up, I had way more cable than what I needed to get back here. So I just tucked it into a side panel down here. But you can see the camera here, very small camera. The entire installation time, including programming the unit, took me about an hour and a half. Very simple, straightforward installation. And anybody with a minimum of tools, the only tool I used that was not in the box was a Phillips screwdriver to attach this bracket to this camera. Overall, I'm very satisfied with it, and I'm pretty confident that if I ever have an accident, it won't be their word against mine because we'll be able to watch it on my video. So if you've been considering one of these, it even includes the micro SD card, a 32 gig by the way, so there's nothing extra that you need to buy. You can't go wrong on this deal, so if you're interested in one, I highly recommend this. Thank you, and have a great day.